Ever dream of seeing your sales skyrocket? Imagine effortlessly attracting floods of eager customers, ready to buy whatever you're offering. Stop dreaming and start doing. In this video, I'm going to reveal some insanely powerful and rare strategies to leverage the combined might of AI and video to boost your sales by a factor of 2 to 10. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tips. We're diving deep into uncharted territory, exploring cutting-edge techniques you won't find anywhere else. Get ready to witness the future of sales. Alright, let's get down to business. The traditional sales funnel is dead. It's slow, inefficient, and frankly boring. We need something dynamic, engaging, and intelligent. That's where AI and video come in. They're not just tools, they're your secret weapons to building a sales machine that works 24/7. Idea number 1. AI-powered personalized video ads. Potential profit: $50,000 to $500,000 or more per campaign. Forget generic video ads that get lost in the noise. Imagine creating personalized video experiences for each individual prospect. Using AI, we can analyze customer data, past purchases, browsing history, demographics, and generate unique video ads tailored to their specific interests. Let's say you're selling fitness equipment. Instead of a generic ad showing a montage of exercises, the AI could create a video featuring someone with similar demographics to the viewer, talking about the benefits of a specific piece of equipment based on their past purchase history. Someone who bought yoga mats might see an ad for a new yoga block, while someone who bought dumbbells might see an ad for adjustable weights. This level of personalization is mind-blowing and dramatically increases conversion rates. How it works: utilize AI video generation platforms that integrate with your CRM. Feed them customer data and pre-designed video templates. The AI will then automatically generate personalized videos, inserting relevant text, images, and even voiceovers. The magic personalization creates a feeling of connection and relevance. It makes the viewer feel understood, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. Profit potential: a single highly targeted campaign can generate tens of thousands of dollars in revenue. Scale this across multiple product lines and customer segments and you're looking at a game changer. Idea number 2. Interactive AI video quizzes for lead generation with a potential profit of $20,000 to $200,000 or more per quiz. Lead generation is the lifeblood of any business, but traditional lead magnets are often boring and ineffective. Let's spice things up with interactive AI video quizzes. Instead of a static landing page, create a short, engaging video quiz that asks questions related to your product or service. The AI analyzes the viewer's responses and provides personalized recommendations, along with a lead capture form. For example, a skincare company could create a quiz that asks about skin type, concerns, and lifestyle. The AI then recommends a customized skincare routine and captures the lead's information. How it works: use platforms that allow you to create interactive video experiences with branching logic. Integrate these quizzes with your email marketing platform to nurture leads. The magic quizzes are fun, engaging, and provide valuable insights into customer preferences. They also position you as an expert, building trust and credibility. Profit potential: a well-designed quiz can generate thousands of qualified leads, which can be converted into paying customers. Idea number 3. AI-powered product demos with virtual assistants, with a potential profit of $100,000 to $1 million or more per product. Imagine a world where potential customers can get personalized product demos 24/7 without any human intervention. That's the power of AI-powered virtual assistants integrated into your product demo videos. The AI can answer questions, provide customized walkthroughs, and even address objections in real time. Let's say you're selling software. You could create a product demo video featuring a virtual assistant that guides the viewer through the key features, answering common questions and showcasing how the software solves their specific problems. How it works: use AI chatbot platforms that can be integrated with video players. Train the AI on your product information and frequently ask questions. The magic personalized demos provide a tailored experience, increasing engagement and understanding. They also free up your sales team to focus on closing deals. Profit potential: automated product demos can significantly reduce sales costs and increase conversion rates, leading to substantial revenue growth. Idea number 4. AI-generated video testimonials with realistic avatars, with a potential profit of $30,000 to $300,000 or more per testimonial campaign. Testimonials are powerful social proof, but gathering them can be time-consuming and expensive. Enter AI-generated video testimonials. Using realistic avatars, you can create compelling testimonials featuring satisfied customers, even if they're not available for filming. The AI can even generate different versions of the testimonial, tailored to different target audiences. How it works: use AI avatar generation platforms that allow you to create realistic digital representations of people. Feed the AI text-based testimonials and it will generate video testimonials with natural-sounding voices and facial expressions. The magic AI-generated testimonials are cost-effective, scalable, and can be easily updated. They also allow you to feature a wider range of customer demographics. Profit potential: authentic-looking testimonials build trust and credibility, influencing purchasing decisions and boosting sales. Idea number 5, AI-driven video content repurposing. Potential profit: $10,000 to $100,000 or more per piece of long-form content. Creating high-quality video content is time-consuming, but what if you could repurpose a single piece of long-form video content into multiple shorter, engaging clips for different platforms? AI can do just that. Using AI-powered video editing tools, you can automatically extract key moments, create subtitles, and even generate social media posts from your longer videos. How it works: use AI video editing platforms that offer features like automatic scene detection, subtitle generation, and social media post creation. The magic: repurposing content maximizes its reach and impact. It saves you time and effort while ensuring consistent messaging across different platforms. Profit potential: increased visibility and engagement lead to more traffic, leads, and ultimately sales. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. These are just a few examples of how you can leverage AI and video to amplify your sales. The possibilities are endless. The key is to be creative, experiment, and embrace these new technologies. Don't be afraid to try new things and push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of sales is here and it's powered by AI and video. Are you ready to ride the wave? Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.